if you check my OKX Wallet right here, you will see that I have over 4,000 USD on this particular account. And if you're able to watch the video to the end, I'm going to be sharing with you step-by-step process on how I was able to get over 4,000 USD on this particular account without any single deposit. I do not deposit any USD on this particular account, and I was able to get over 4,000 USD on this particular account. And by the end of this video, I'm also going to be sharing with you step-by-step process on how you'll be able to withdraw this 4,000 USD to any other exchange wallet without any single deposit on this particular account. But before we continue, the first thing I want you to do right now for me is to tell me to like this video. Many of you have been watching my update without subscribing. Please help me to subscribe to the channel. I'll be glad to share more updates like this with you again. To get started, all you just need to do is to go to Play Store or App Store and download OKX Wallet. Immediately after downloading the OKX Wallet, you just need to open it. You can see that I have already downloaded the application. I don't need to click on open. Once I open the application, I will scroll up and click on this wallet. Select wallet, do not select exchange. And scroll down. Once you scroll down, click on I already have a one. Click on this, or I already have one. Once you click on it, click on scroll up and enter seed. You will see seed phrase or private key. Click on it. Once you click on this, scroll down and click on OK. Once you scroll up, you can see enter seed phrase or private key. All I just need to do right now is to go to our Telegram channel and copy the secret phrase, which I'm going to be pasting right here. I just need to come to the Telegram channel and copy the secret phrase. Once I copy this particular secret phrase, and I will go back right now and paste the secret phrase. Once I'm immediately after pasting this secret phrase will help me to get over 4,000 USD on my OKX wallet. And if you need this particular secret phrase, kindly tell me in the comment section that you need this secret phrase that will help you to get over 4,000 USD in your OKX wallet, and I will send it to you directly. But make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so you'll be able to receive it once I send it to you. I will click on confirm. Once immediately after clicking on confirm, all you just need to do is to enter your 6-digit password. This password, you are the one that will create it for yourself. You can see this password is what you can always use to access your USD on this particular platform. After entering your security password right here, all you just need to do is to scroll down and click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see it is loading, guys. You just need to allow it to load. You can see you just need to allow it to load. It is loading. Boom, guys. 4,000 USD has just landed into my OKX wallet right now. You can see it right now. And if you should scroll down right here, you will be able to see that this 4,000 USD is actually real. You can see it right there. Let me click on it. You can see 4,000 USD right now. You can see it right here. You are my OKX wallet, and I do not deposit this 4,000 USD to this particular account, and I was able to get this particular 4,000 USD without any single deposit or any single investment on this particular account. And to transfer this 4,000 USD to my Bybit or Binance account, all I just need to do right now is to click on this send. Once I click on this send, you can see allow it to load, select USDT. Once I select USD, put the wallet address which you want to transfer to right here. After putting the wallet address which you want to transfer to right here, you can go on and transfer the USD from this particular wallet into your main wallet without any single issue on this particular account. But I will advise you not to deposit any fund into this particular account to avoid losing your fund on this particular account. If you are finding it very difficult to withdraw your 4,000 USD from your OKX wallet after successfully gotten your own 4,000 USD, kindly tell me in the comment section of this video that you are finding it very difficult to send out your 4,000 USD from your OKX wallet, and I will send you a secret strategy that will help you to withdraw your 4,000 USD from your OKX wallet without any single stress. But make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so that you'll be able to receive it once I send it to you directly.